What is going on, guys? My name is Paul, and in today's video we'll be talking about how I ship my items on eBay. So stay tuned. I also wanted to say thank you to every one of you that subscribed to my channel. I hit 50 subscribers this week. I am super happy about it. I can't tell you guys enough how much it means to me. And I also thought I might just do a giveaway for you guys whenever we hit 100 subscribers. So let me know in the comments below what exactly some of you would want, and then in the next video I'll kind of announce what it's gonna be. So packing supplies or shipping supplies, we can do gift cards, cash, fun stuff that I can just find in stores. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much. So let's get back into the video. This is my shipping station. I got all these cubbies built out of plywood. It's all on a pallet racking shelving system, which you can see is all filled up with stuff. And I even got more boxes from all my neighbors. I love all my neighbors. They just bring me stuff. I save a ton of money using their boxes, packing material, foam, bubble wrap. I mean, you name it. Most of these shops around me are all auto shop. Boxes, priority boxes, more boxes, just random small boxes, smaller boxes, more and more boxes. I mean, you name it. I gotta make a bigger order again for all of my longer boxes for stuff like that. Also those, and as you can see, this is kind of becoming empty. More shelving, it's gonna be coming up here shortly. More bubble wrap. So basically this is the shipping station. It become a mess, as you can see, and the reason it is this way is when you're busy, you just don't have time to clean. That's just the honest truth. It piles up. People bring stuff, you just pile it, and then one day, I mean, you can see the path is still decent, but maybe in like a few more weeks, if I'm not gonna clean it up, there's not gonna be a path to the shelving. So I usually go on my phone. All our SKUs are basically right there. So this is row E, shelf 1, or not shelf, column 1, shelf C, and I put a 1 there just in case if I wanted to divide the shelf, it would be C2. So pretty easy to figure everything out. That's basically how I pick it. So if I had to find this one, see, as you can see, it's E01C, and the tag number is 9875. So that's the basic idea. This is how I ship everything. Same day. If it's purchased before my mail shows up here, it gets shipped out. If I'm done packing and then I go do something else and my mail has not been picked up, but I do hear somebody bought something, I will actually go pick it, pack it, and send it out same day. So I kind of try to do same day. I do have 1-day handling on eBay just because the way these tracking numbers work, the way the scanning thing work. I used to do same day, but I changed up to 1 just because the whole world is against you whenever you're doing same day. But I still ship same day depending on the item. If it's smaller stuff, I mean, it doesn't take much to ship it, but bigger items, freight, if it's purchased till noon, it goes out same day. If it's after, I'm not gonna bother with packing freight because it takes up too much time, and then I'm killing my time doing something else, so it just wastes everything. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section. I am planning on redoing, moving basically all of this on the other side and redoing all of that. So I think I will make a video on how I built this. Most of these, the bottom 2 will have to actually go because, as you can see, I made a mistake. The A boxes fit perfectly, but all of these will not, and you can't, I mean, it's basically wasted space. So whenever I had the idea, I really didn't measure too much. I mean, I thought that's gonna go up, but I am using more of the eBay boxes also, and just regular boxes for my FedEx items. So I'm actually thinking of building a little different shipping station. So if that's something you're interested in watching, it won't be soon, but it will be in a couple months for sure. And I am looking at doing some kind of organization of all my boxes also, and then also everything that's kind of loose. I need to come up with a way. So I don't like tearing boxes apart because then you got to tape them back up. So, and there's more stuff right there. So I might even build a floor at the top and just use that for all my big bulky boxes. So that's basically kind of the idea here. If you guys have any questions about it, I'll leave those in the comment section. I'll try to answer as quick as possible. If there's more questions, similar questions, I might make a video about it. It's gonna be EO2F 47. Alright, as you can see, I got all my weekend sales packed, and it's 1 o'clock right now, and usually my USPS and FedEx show up around 3 on Mondays, but 39 or close to 40 packages right here. Let me just briefly show you how I pick, because I was in a hurry, I didn't want to so basically I go on my computer, which is going to be hard to see. Let's just go find an item that already has been shipped, because I don't think I have anything else that needs to go out. Yep. Let's just click paid and shipped. And then as you can see, this door panel right there, the SKU is AO2B, and the number is 9639. So I just go to the AO2B, which I already picked that part, but just for an example, in all of my rows on this pallet racking is, this one's A, this one's B, so I would go to AO2B. And I have B1, but I always thought if I divide the shelf in 2 or 3 locations, it would be just B1, B2, B3. So, and I found the door in here, picked it up, packed it. So that's the basic idea. I do recycle as much boxes as I possibly can, which all this mess right here is just my neighbors giving me all their boxes, because most of the shops around here fix cars. You can see all the wheel boxes. So I get a ton of boxes from them, which is helpful. It doesn't seem like it's a lot, but at the end of the year, you see how much we save on packing material. You'd be surprised. I think this year alone we saved close to, I think, $15,000 just on boxes and packing. So thanks to all my neighbors, and I mean, I collect everything I can, and I do buy a bunch of them too, but I try to use up everything that's old before I get into the new boxes. And I do use the priority boxes, but here lately FedEx prices went down by a lot, and I stopped using as much of priority as I used to. It used to be way more priority boxes, but since FedEx prices are down, a lot of the smaller items, so I do use a bunch of these eBay boxes that we get for free. I get about $150 worth of boxes for free every quarter. So that is it for shipping. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, I'll be probably doing a vehicle repair. It's gonna have some framework done, welding, painting, the whole thing. So if you're interested in that, that'll probably be the next video. And right here, we have, what is it called? Versapooler, or Champ Versapooler. It's heavily modified now, and it's gonna be modified some more, because whatever they sell is, I mean, it's okay, it would work, but not as much as we enjoy it. And this is kind of my dad's idea for the most part. We edit all that, got more clamps from them. So it's another thing. So if you're interested in something like this, I'll be doing the next video. I'll be putting the vehicle on the frame, and for the first time we'll be testing out whatever we designed here, if it's gonna work, because whatever it was just wobbly, loose. I didn't like it. So, and this is all new to us, so we'll just see how it works. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.